Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I did this golden brown look. It's perfect for any holiday party you may have coming up. So if you guys want to see how I completed this look, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to start with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 22. Like always, when I put this on, I just put it under my brows so to get the shape started for when I fill them in later. Sorry, the lighting's a little weird right now, but it will do. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Shadow Palette. And I talked about this in my Spanish video, I think, but it's a really nice palette. It's bigger than my face. I got it at Ross for 10 bucks. So I'm gonna go in with this brown shade, like a tan color right here. I'm gonna put that in the crease and just blend it. Only thing I wish about that palette is that it had a mirror, but it's really huge, and it was only $10. So that's probably why it wasn't that expensive, because they didn't put a mirror in it, but that's all right. Okay, so I put that color in my crease. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of a deeper brown, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna switch my brush for the brown, the deeper brown. And just put that in the crease as well. All right, and then for the lid, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the medium nude. Oops. For the lid, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty medium nude palette, and I'm gonna do this like golden color for my lid. And I'm just gonna put that on with my finger, like this, and then just put it on. I really like this palette because it has a mirror. It's a cute little compact. So I'm just going to go back in with that dark brown I used from the BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm going to go into the crease again with the dark brown, or the darker brown. Just going to blend out the edges. So what I'm going to do is put my lashes on, my mascara, and I will be right back. Now that I did my mascara and lashes, I'm going to do my foundation, and for my primer I'm going to use the Professional by Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm just going to put it here. So my skin's been pretty dry lately, so today I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. This is very hydrating for your skin if you have dry skin, which I do. And now that it's colder outside, my skin is getting really dry. This isn't even a scratch, it's just something that shows up on my skin whenever my skin gets dry. It's really weird. So my skin is very dry, so I'm going to use that foundation. And I'm going to put some on my sponge. Just 2 pumps. And I'm going to spread it all over. I wish it was more pigmented, but other than that, I really like this foundation because it's moisturizing if you have dry skin. All right, so I did my foundation. As you can see, it's very, very hydrating. Gives your face a nice, glowy, moisturized, healthy skin look. Unless you have oily skin, then you probably don't like this look. But in the wintertime, I really like when my skin looks like this. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer like always, and I'm just gonna do that off camera because that usually takes me forever. I don't know why my bronzer is a step that takes me like what feels like an hour. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back and do my eyebrows. Now that my bronzer's done, I'm gonna quickly go in with the highlight, and for that I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild like always with the Real Techniques brush and just highlight. Like always, do the kissy face to highlight my lips.
2 hours later.
So I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows, and that's gonna be with the Gimme Brow from Benefit Cosmetics. And I do my brows pretty quick. What I do is I just brush them through with this, the Gimme Brow wand or whatever it's called. I just brush them up like that. And then with my Clinique brow shaper, I just use the brush that it comes with, this little tiny brush, and I just brush the ends, or I make an end with it. And sometimes I clean up under my brows, and most of the time I don't, because I usually like to have my brows looking more natural. But I definitely understand why people do that. It just looks nicer, more of a Instagram makeup look. And usually when I clean up under my brows, I get a lot of compliments, so I can see, it's more of a clean look. But like I said, for the most part, I like to go in just natural. So after that, I even brush out my brows with the little spoolie that I have, which actually broke, but I still use it, and just brush out my brows. Okay, for the third step, I go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow gel, and I just try to wipe off all the product, well, 95% of it, because if you just go in straight like that, it's going to be very, very thick and just too much brow gel. So like I said, I wipe off most of it, and then again, I just go in and brush my eyebrows up. And if you're going out or anything like that, this brow gel actually makes your eyebrows stay. It holds them in place. So if you're going out and don't want your eyebrows to move, then this gel is perfect for you. So this is how I like my eyebrows to look. Very natural texture, bushy, because that's how I like it. I'm just going to go back in with that golden shade and put a little bit in the inner corner because we need that pop. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this palette in one of my videos. I know I mentioned it in my Spanish video of like cheap products or affordable products, but if I didn't mention it on one of my English videos, the light's messed up. It is the Huda Beauty medium nude palette, like I told you guys, and it has a mirror. It's really cute, has really, really pretty colors. When I first got it, I was like, why did I get that? I already have stuff like that. But now that I've had it for a little bit longer, I kind of really am enjoying it. I really like it. It's perfect for like this whole season. Like it was perfect for Thanksgiving. It's perfect for Christmas. You can do something gold like this. It's gonna be perfect for New Year's because you have more bronzy pinks. So it's really good for all seasons. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, date night, you know, show your boo what he's working with. Make him remember why he fell in love with you. Just kidding. And I usually do this too. When I'm done with my makeup, I just add a little bit more of whatever I need or whatever I want. So I'm just adding more of that gold. For my lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills little mini, and it's in Bittersweet. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm gonna use the coconut aloe vera spray facial mist that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cover my eyes. Actually, I'm gonna move my hair out of the way. So as you can see, I'm finished with this look. I hope you guys liked it. It's like a brown golden moment. Perfect for Christmas and even New Year's coming up. And speaking of the holidays, I'm going to be vlogging a lot of the festivities that my family is going to have. So if you enjoy crazy family vlogs, stay tuned for those videos because I will be vlogging that. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.